You know what it is, Swally Macadime Empire. We doing some work. Some of y'all might need to know how to change a tire. Some of y'all might need to know how to change your oil, spark plug, a brake light, headlight. Well, tonight we changing brake pads on a Honda Accord LX 2-door 3.0. What you gonna need? You gonna need a jack. You gonna need some type of C-clamp or some, to push the brake piston back in. You're gonna need the brake pads, of course. You're gonna need something to get the nuts, the bolts off of your tire, get the tire off. A 12mm bolt to get the actual, to get to the brake pad. And I'm gonna show you. So the first thing you wanna do, you wanna loosen up your bolts. Before you jack the car up with your jack, you loosen that up with a tire on, something to get the bolts off. I got them off. And I jacked the car up, so now I can take the tire off. After you get the tire off, you're gonna need something to get this bolt off the back. There's two bolts, one here and one at the bottom here, here and here. I'm gonna loosen this one, the top, and take the bottom one totally off, so that way I can lift this brake mechanism up in order to get to the pads. This has to come off in order to get to these pads in here. After you loosen these bolts in the back, this bolt, loosen them, take the bottom one out. You're able to lift. Lift the brake up. This piston needs to be pushed in. It's a piston to push, when you press down on a brake, this is what comes out and forces the brake pads to clamp down on your rotor. These are my pads. That's how you take them out. They come out easily, real dirty, been ready to get took off. It was making all kind of noise. The pad with the clip on it, and it goes in the back. And this is what actually makes the sound, the squeaking sound, when the pad gets low enough to make the sound. It makes the squeaking sound. Go over here and get the new pad so you can see what the new one. Here's the new pads. Here's that back one I was talking about. With the thing on it to make the noise. See the difference? See how far it has to go to make that noise. That's funny because them other pads didn't look like that. It looked like this on this side. Maybe they did. Maybe I wasn't paying attention. But anyways, let's put them in. Let's install them. Install real easy. gotta, jiggle it a little bit, and then it'll fit right in here, the front one. Just put it right in, like a puzzle. Goes right in. Boop. And that's how easy it is to change your brake pads. This is the hard part, pushing this piston in, because it's not gonna go down. Because the piston is in the way, you can see it. It was used to the low pad. So we gotta push this piston in. You can't just push it in with your own strength. It's not gonna go in. You need something like a C-clamp. What I'm using is this bar. What I'm doing is I'm putting it in, finding my way in there, right? And I'm just pushing it in like this. The bar is moving to it. Live. Thought I was gonna have to put the phone down. It's going in. Just gotta make sure it's sliding in. I don't know if you can see it, it's going in. Takes a little pressure to push it in, but once you get it in, and after you pry the piston back like I did, then and only then can you put this brake mechanism back down over your brand new pads. Remember, you got a little something to move back in order to get it back on. And then you have it. Change your brake pads. Rotors probably need to be changed because they messed up right here. I see. I think I knew. When this ain't really smooth no more, that's when the rotor is bad. Now, because my rotor is bad, halfway bad, it basically is gonna mess up the new pad, but the pads is cheap, so the rotor is what actually costs. And we ain't changing rotors, we changing pads. So if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe. Don't forget, comment if you know a faster way to do it, and holla back.